Want to learn how to log into your Instagram account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice or the Instagram app itself. So this is just a demo video. The same login process will be also present on the Instagram app. So for that, tap on this Chrome, tap on the search or type web address. Insert here instagram.com. This will take you to the official website of the Instagram app itself. If you do not want to continue with this particular account, you can tap on switch accounts below. Now tap on this phone number, username or email and then enter your phone number, username or email along with the password. When you're done keeping both, tap on login below. So you need to enter the code that they have just sent to my number because I have just enabled the two-step verification on my phone. I need to do it. So I'm going to tap the security code. You can also do the same or you can simply get logged in easily. After keeping the security code, tap on confirm below. If you're unable to receive a security code, you can use one of your backup codes as well, as mentioned before. So this is it. You are almost getting logged in. Tap on not now on the bottom if you do not want to save your login info. And this is it. You are into the homepage of your own Instagram account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.